everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is some incoming happy mail I received from Lori, who is creating for fun. I will have her linked below. Thank you so much, Lori. This is a voiceover. I was so excited when I received it that I had to open it immediately. So sorry about that, but this is what she gifted me. She gifted me some socks, some of those diamond dots. I love her bag topper. She makes the most beautiful bag toppers, which I've already used one from last year that she made me. And she sent me some rosettes, which I absolutely love, you guys. She sells these, so if you guys need rosettes for your Happy Meal, go ahead and check her out. She sells them. She also sells some flowers, not the ones you see here. I was making flowers, so I thought it would look nice there, but she makes some gorgeous flowers. She sent me some sequence mix, a miniature clip in these cute bags, and she also decorated a layered rosette, which I absolutely love. I love that strawberry, and I love that she added diamond dots to it. So cute. It looks like sprinkles. And she also gifted me that red handmade bow, which I absolutely love. And I'm only showing a few candies because my kids got into it and they ate the rest. And you guys, this hot glue gun is everything. I love it. And I do know that Scrap Diva has one, so go ahead and check her out. I will have her linked below. But look how Lori decorated her hot glue gun. It is so cute and I love it. I need to get a mint hot glue. Mine is blue. There's her information there. Creating for fun, Lori. And as soon as I can get that, that's definitely on my list. Look how beautiful that is. It would make a cute embellishment. Well, this concludes the video. Check out all the links below. I will see you in the next video. Bye.